how to change Facebook page name. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and you have to log into your Facebook page. After logging in, you'll be able to see these settings and interface in your screen. So in order to change the name of your Facebook page, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to tap on your profile icon with 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. After that, you can see the setting option right next to the search bar in right upper corner, so tap on that. After tapping on that, you have to go through the page settings, and from over here you can see the name. So you can see the name. So in the text box you have to tap and edit the name, but you have to read the note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 7 days. So it means if you change your page name now, then you won't be able to change the name again within the 7 days. So if you are agreed, then you can change your name and tap on review change option. And by doing that, you have to enter your Facebook password. And after entering, you have to tap on save changes. And by doing that, your page name will be modified and changed. So by following this simple step, you can change your Facebook page name. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.